back everyone to another episode of Revise Enterprise. Today we're helping BTEC Award in Enterprise Level 1 and 2 students with Component 3, which is your exam, and specifically today we're going to look at Learning B. We'll look at the concept today of completing a purchase order. So we're going to have a look today at a 5-mark exam question and see if we can get you guys 5 marks out of 5 on a purchase order question. So let's have a look at it together. Now the first thing in your exam, you'll get a specific business scenario to look at. In this case, it's dandelion green. Now you might want to pause the video just for 30 seconds or 1 minute just to read through this scenario and maybe pick out some of the key points from the dandelion green scenario on the board. Once you've read the scenario, there are a number of questions in your exam related to this particular scenario on dandelion green. Now one of the questions you might get, and this was on the previous paper back in June, was one on a purchase order, so completing a purchase order. A purchase order is basically the first stage of the buying process. So when Dandelion Green want to order some goods from a supplier, for in this case, Thoughtful Cotton Products Limited, that's who they're ordering from, they might complete a purchase order form. Now on the form itself, it contains a number of different things. Number one, it contains the item description and the code, the quantity they want to order, that's on the left-hand side, the unit price, and then the total price on the right-hand side, the final column as well. Now you've been asked to, there's already some pre-populated data, which is brilliant, which helps us a little bit, and your job is to fill out the remaining 5 boxes. So we'll help you do that together in today's little session on Revise Enterprise. So we know we're ordering 3 cotton beanie hats, and we've got a total price in here of £170.40. The unit price per item of them is £56.80. So the next sort of column to fill in is we've got 6 cotton baseball caps we're going to order at a price of £49.95. Now the great thing with the enterprise exam is you can use a calculator. Alright, so if you grab your calculator here, the first thing it's asking for is what is the total price in terms of the cotton baseball caps. So 6 times £49.95 is the first calculation we need to do. So we do it on the calculator, 6 times £49.95 gives us a total of £299.70. So what you can do once you calculated that is you can simply fill in your answer on your exam worksheet. So £299.70 for 6 cotton baseball caps. Then what it wants you to do is work out a total price. Now to work out the total price, you simply need to add together your total for the cotton beanie hats plus what we just calculated for the cotton baseball caps as well. So to do that, if you bring your calculator up again, to find out the total price is £299.70 plus what the examiner's filled in for us already, £170.40, which gives us a total, guys, of £470.10. So that goes, just to remind you, just in these boxes here. So 470 in pounds, and then in pence, 10 pence in the right-hand column. Now, we've got some discount applied here. Sometimes when you buy in bulk from a supplier, you might get discount. In this case, we have, which is great. So we've got a 2% discount applied. So we need to find 2% of £470.10. Now, one easy way to do that, if you grab your calculator up again, is to multiply it by 0.02 on your calculator. You multiply it by 0.02, it'll find 2%, which is to 2 decimal places, £9.40. Okay? So we worked out our discount in the next field. So we're going to fill that in next. £9.40 is the discount. And then finally the subtotal, what we need to do here is work out the total price minus the discount applied. So again, use your calculator, use all the resources you can in the exam to help you. 470 and 10 pence minus your £9.40 gives you a total subtotal here, guys, of £460.70. So fill that in the next stage of your exam, £460.70. Now we've got a delivery charge here, as you can see, of £5. So they're going to charge us £5 for delivery, so you need to add that on top of your subtotal, and then it's asking us finally what your total is to pay. So you simply add £5 to your £460.70. So again, if you use your calculator if you want to, so £460.70 plus your 5 should give you £465.70 as a total to pay. So we fill that in finally for you, 465.70. All right. Now the easiest way to do these questions is to do it systematically. So do it in order from top to bottom. and use your calculator, as much assistance as you can, and that should be able to, if you work through it systematically like that, it should get you 5 marks out of 5 on an exam situation. All right, so I hope that's really helpful for you. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's watched the channel. Please like and subscribe if you love Revise Enterprise. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and TESS, and we'll very much look forward to seeing you on the next video.